What's going on YouTube? In today's video we're going to be reviewing the 2001 H1 Hummer. I've been trying to do this review for a long time, but we've had to get it out of storage, put new batteries in it, and of course clean it up a little bit. It hasn't been driven probably in about a year or so, so it's been sitting for a little while, so we had to do the correct maintenance before we got it out here, and so I can get the review done. But here is the Hummer. It's going to be a 6.5 liter twin turbo diesel. We bought this vehicle brand new, of course, in 2001. So here it is. It's a beautiful truck, white, with all the black moldings all around it. So everything's black, not the chrome. So except you got the chrome wheels, but this car is, or truck, not car, is just a beautiful piece of art. Of course, you got the winch on the front right there. You got air compressors for all the tires, so they all fill up, so you guys don't got to go to a gas station to fill it up. You can just fill it up right from when you're driving, wherever you want to go, and it's all done there. So yeah guys, like I said, this car has been in our family for probably about, I don't know, however long 2001 till 2021 is, but we've had this truck for a while, and we've taken it all around the world, back to Florida, all around cross country, all over the place. So this thing is a beast. It would go anywhere. I'm pretty sure we've had this truck all the way up to here in water, so all the way up to the hood, level with this. So this truck is a beast. You can take it anywhere, do anything with it. So since I showed you a little more of the outside of the truck, I'm going to go ahead and move towards the inside of the truck, since that's the main part. So this is a 2001 H1 Hummer. It's the original. It's not the military version. It's got all civilian gear inside. It's got radio, it's got TVs, it's got plug-ins. So you can plug in an Xbox, for example, PS4 for an example, PS5, whatever you want. It's all original interior, nothing's been changed but the radio and sound system, of course. But let's go ahead and get in the inside. I'm going to show you guys the driver's seat first, and yeah, let's get into it. Alright guys, so let's open up the driver door. Of course, we got the original interior. It's like a tannish beige, tan beige, I don't know, but it's gray. Of course, all the original interior. So we got the battery, we got the oil temperatures, we got lights, all these buttons. I don't know what does, but it's the original one, so that's all that matters. If we go and hop in the seat real quick, two fuel systems. So this is the main, this is the auxiliary tank. So we have two tanks that we get to fill up, which of course takes more money. Like I said, you can inflate the tires from just a click of a button. You can fill up the front, you can fill up the rear. So that's a cool feature that's on these big tough vehicles. Of course, they're remaking these cars. They're making them electric. They're making the H3, H2, which are all plastic bodies, and they're all weak, and they're all poorly built, if I can say that myself. So here's another thing that I told you that is not factory with the car, which is the radio system and sound system. We got the original DVD player. Here's what this all looks like. So everything, so the windows are all controlled from this right here. So here is the front window, back windows. We also have this thing right here. Let me move my phone real quick. We have this big old chunky thing, which looks like a DVD player. I'm not too sure. I don't know what it is. It's way past my day and age. So that's another cool thing that's in this car, or this truck. I keep saying car, but it's a truck. Got cup holders in here. You got two cup holders here. You got a cup holder right here, and a cup holder right here. So it's a pretty beefy truck. So let's go and hop out of the car. Let's go and head over to the passenger side. All right, let's go and open up the passenger door now. So when we walk in, of course, we got the same color of interior. We got not much leg room. I mean, let's go and hop in here. I'm about 5'9", so this is about me. If you're over 6 foot, then you're gonna have some pretty hefty leg room that you're gonna have to worry about. But you can move, of course, move the seat back, adjust yourself. So got air vents here. We got ashtrays and stuff like that. We also have a big storage component in here, which goes, I'm pretty sure, to right here. So it's a pretty hefty storage compartment in there, in the center console. But let's go ahead and move towards the back. There's a lot of space back here. I'm going to go and open up these two passenger doors. Then I'm going to open up the rear very back, and I'm going to show you guys more of this truck. Alrighty guys, so let's go and open up the rear passenger door. Of course, we got some good leg room. And we have a wonderful TV back here, which is really outdated. That's from back in 2001. We're in 2020 now, so of course it's outdated. It's really small. But all the TVs work, I'm pretty sure. I know they work. Car's off, so they're not going to turn on. But there's some leg room in here. We have a big, huge cargo storage in the back. I know once when we went to Florida, we stuck a inflatable bed back there, and we slept the whole way. So I know it's got a perfect amount of room. So there's the back seats. Now we're gonna open up the rear doors. Oh, I forgot we're gonna open up this one, and then we can open up this one. All right, yep. So like I said, we have tons of room up here. Like I said, we put a bed back here, and we slept while the whole way on vacation in Florida. So it's got plenty of room for anybody to sleep in. I mean, if you have one of these, then you're really in luck. These are pretty hard to find, the civilian ones. I know the military ones you can find all over the place, that have the gutted interior, and things hard to close, the gutted interior and stuff like that. But that's the interior of the 2001 H1 Hummer. So as far as I know, the 2001 H1 Hummer MSRP, which is a starting price, I believe they went for 120 to 125 grand back in 2001. I'm not too sure what they are worth now, but I'm sure they haven't lost their value since this thing is a beast of a truck. They, of course, Lynch does not make these cars anymore. They stopped producing them and making them, and now they're, like I said, they're on this plastic cheap garbage that they're making, and of course they're transferring over to electric vehicles now. So of course they're not making these cars anymore. Alright guys, since we did walk through the car a little bit, I keep saying car, I meant truck. Since we've been walking through the truck a little bit, I'm gonna go and hop in. I'm gonna set the camera up on the dash right there, and I'm just gonna drive this thing, let you guys hear it. This thing is a beast, sounds like a beast. But yeah, I'm gonna go and drive around a little bit. I'm gonna show you guys a little what's inside of when I'm driving it, how it feels, and yeah, let's cut into it. Alrighty guys, so here's what the key looks like. I'm not too sure if the camera is picking this up, but these keys are way different from what we have now. So this is what the key looks like. So what we're gonna do is we are going to, I don't know if you guys can see this, but we're gonna put this in like normal. We're gonna put our foot on the brake. We're gonna switch it over just a little bit. Oh, switch it over just a little bit. We gotta wait for the glow plugs. Wait for that button to turn off. There we go, now we can start the car. There we go, now she's all started. So you have to wait for that wait signal to turn off before you start the truck. So that's what it looks like. I'm gonna go and set this camera up. Hopefully the angle is okay. I'm sure it's okay. Hopefully you guys can see me, but I'm gonna go and fasten my seatbelt, safety first. All right, so I got the seatbelt on. We're gonna go and put this thing in drive real quick. So of course I'm at the destination where I always record my videos and stuff like that. A lot of vibrations in the truck. It's a rough ride, but I'm sure that with the air compressors you can get rid of some air out of the tires, or add some air to increase or decrease the ride of the truck. So I'm not going to mess with that because I have no idea what I'm doing. So let's go ahead and set this camera back up. Alrighty guys, so now I'm not too sure if you guys can hear me or not. Hopefully this thing right here, the DVD player, is not in the way. But this is what it looks like when you're driving. It's a very nice ride, if I could say. If I knew more about the truck, I would increase or decrease the air in the truck, but I'm not going to mess with it. Oh yeah, if you guys seen the video on our Hellcat before this video uploaded, you'll see we kind of yeah, I'll let that those tire marks explain itself. But if you guys want to go look at that video, go down in the description and click that video. It's one hell of a video. You guys will enjoy it. Alrighty guys, so now we're on the main road. I'm not too sure if you guys can hear me, but we're approximately going about 30 miles an hour. So this is what it sounds like. I'm not too sure, like I said, if you guys can hear me or hear the sounds that the truck is making. It sounds beautiful. It sounds like a big heavy motor. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I'm gonna have to go ahead and wrap it up here. There's not too much for me to show you. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to like the video. Make sure to subscribe if you guys want to see more. Of course, this car is always going to be in our fleet. I keep saying car, but this is a truck. This truck is always going to be in our fleet, along with the Hellcat, the BMW, and all those other cars. If you guys have a car that you guys want me to review, go ahead and look at the email down in the description, or it's going to be a form link, and fill it out, and I will review your car for a YouTube video. But yeah guys, You guys have a good day. Like I said, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. And I'll see you guys on the next one. See you later.